In this video, I am going to cover the basic functions of a digital multimeter and how to use one to measure continuity, resistance, voltage, and current. Some meters are self-ranging and will automatically adjust the range for you. All you would need to do is set the selector to volts, DC or AC, ohms, or continuity, or current, and take your measurements. The meter we will be using is a manual ranging type. The meter has a selector knob that allows you to select the range yourself. When making your selection, choose a range that is just above the value that you expect to measure in order to get the most accurate reading. If you are unsure of the possible value, select the highest setting and work down. This is always a good idea if you are dealing with high voltages. Checking continuity. To get started, connect the test leads to the meter. The black test lead connects to the jack marked COM or common. For the purpose of measuring continuity, resistance, and voltage, the red test lead needs to be connected to the jack marked with V for voltage and the omega symbol for ohms. Do not use this jack when measuring current. To do so will damage your meter. The current function has its own jack and should only be used for measuring current. Next, move the selector to the setting that looks like sound waves. This is the continuity setting. Touch the leads together and listen for the tone. If you have jumper leads with alligator clips, make it much easier to perform test operations with the multimeter. The item that I will be testing is called a Y harness. It was brought to me with a complaint that one side will not work. To conduct this test, I clip one end of the jumper lead to one of the test probes and of the harness. This way I can hold the harness with one hand and use the other hand to test with the other probe. Okay, I'm connected to the white wire with the red stripe. I'm going to go to the other end of the connectors. I get a tone, so that wire is good. I get a tone on this one, so that wire is good. I am going to change the connection at this end. I'm connected to the gray wires. That wire is good. This wire I get no tone. So this side is the bad side. This wire has a bad connection.